I am a retired expat in Spain from the US. And for 2025, I am moving money from a 401k into a taxable portfolio account. And my question is, that's going to be considered ordinary income in the US, and I'd need to pay taxes on that. And am I going to be double taxed because Spain is going to want to know how much money is gone out of the 401k and going into a taxable account? And is it going to be better for me to go back to the US for the 183 days rather than paying both Spain and US?
You know, you don't necessarily need to go to the US for 183 days. You just need to go someplace other than Spain for 183 days.
Well, I have to be out of the EU, so I don't have a lot of options, and I do still have a home in US.
Where is it?
In Nevada.
I was just wondering if we had a state issue, but you're Nevada, so it's okay because you're going to end up spending 180 days in Nevada, right?
Right, because I think the tax effect will be more expensive and higher taxes if I stay in Spain.
That's, I think, always a true statement.
Okay.
I'm not sure how easy you can flip-flop on the resident, not resident, resident, not resident. Are you going to go back then after the next year and back to Spain again?
Yeah, I've done it before, and it doesn't seem to be a problem. And my accountant here in Spain has said last year, they said you won't be a tax resident because you spent 9 months in the US. And then this year, they said you are going to be a tax resident because you've spent more than 183 days here. Even though I have a residence card, I don't have a passport in Spain, but I have a residency here, a golden visa residency.
Yeah.
So it's a big tax burden if I stay in Spain, because in the US, they will allow me to take from my 401k at cost basis to convert that money into taxable account. And the money has grown quite a bit. So if I look at the market value, I mean, it'd be huge to have to pay that to Spain.
That's the best idea. Move back for a little while and do that. How old are you?
I'm 70, and my understanding is if I don't convert all of my 401k on cost basis before next year, the tax implication is going to go up because apparently, I don't know if it was during Trump's presidency or what, taxes are going to revert back to a higher amount.
The Tax Act 2017, so it's going to expire the end of 2025, and some things are going to revert back to what they were before that act was passed in December 2017. I think the whole thing revolves around how do you want to gift your 401k? How do you want to use your 401k? You're 70 years old. The RMDs, the required minimum distributions, start in 2 years for you at 72. Right. I think the whole thing revolves around when do you want that money to come into your lifestyle and it be taxed. So
like you said, you know, when I turn 73, I don't want that part of my RMD. That's why I want to do it. One, because of the Tax Act, and two, because the RMDs are going to hit me, and I'd rather put that money into a taxable account and reap the benefits of being able to do it on the cost basis of that as well.
I think you need to look at the tax brackets and understand where your income breaks to the higher percentages so that you don't take too much in 1 year versus just taking some over 72, 73, 74 as you need it. Require, you know, RMDs. You need to look at all that.
Yeah, and do you know anything about the tiers of taxes in Spain? For, you know, this is all ordinary income in the US. It has nothing, I didn't earn anything in Spain.
They're going to want to tax that. So maybe it is better for you to move it all at once if you plan to go back to Spain.
Yeah.
All right.
Great. Thank you.
All right. See ya.